Përshëndetje nga München.
Labą dieną, sveiki iš Visagino.
Man wende you aus Hamburg.
Tokyoからこんにちは.
Bom dia do Brasil.
Bonjour des Argentines.
Živijo, lepe pozdrave iz Slovenije.
Dzień dobry, pozdrowienia z Szanghaju.
Hej och god morgon från Västerås.
Hello, ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Greeting from China.
Hola, desde Marketing Madrid.
শুভ সকাল, স্টুটগার্ট থেকে বলছি।
Assalamu alaikum wal Maghrib.
Namaste from India.
Sziasztok, Magyarországról!
Ein herzliches Willkommen aus Stuttgart. As we celebrate Diversity Day, I'm reminded of the strength that lies in our differences. Here at DEKRA, we believe that diversity isn't just a checkbox to be ticked. It's the very essence of who we are and what we stand for. Diversity isn't just about optics or quotas. It's about fostering an environment where every voice is heard, valued, and of course respected. It's about creating a culture of belonging where everyone feels empowered to be their authentic selves. So, I want to encourage every one of you to embrace diversity in all its forms and to carry it with you in your everyday life here at DEKRA. Happy Diversity Day!